Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review PureTalk Wireless. PureTalk Wireless presents itself as a budget-friendly and flexible wireless provider, offering a variety of plans that cater to different needs, from light users to heavy data consumers. Plans starts as low as $25 per month with 5 GB data and 2 GB hotspot, while social media users can choose $30 per month with 10 GB data and 5 GB hotspot. And road warriors or heavy users can go for the $55 per month unlimited plan with 20 GB hotspot. All plans include unlimited talk and text, run on the same 5G networks as major carriers, and allow users to bring their own phones or purchase new iPhones or Android devices with 0% financing. PureTalk emphasizes family-friendly mix and match plans, simple billing, and flexible options without contracts or hidden fees. The provider also highlights strong US-based customer support, being veteran-led, and upholding values like transparency and fairness. Tools on their website let users check coverage, savings, and phone compatibility before signing up, and the mobile apps allows easy account management on the go. Despite this positive, customer reviews on Trustpilot show a rating of 4.1 stars, which indicates generally good feedback but with some caveats. Users praise the affordability, helpful customer service, and reliable network coverage, while a few mention minor issues like slower data in certain areas or occasional dead zones. Now we will discuss its pros and cons. On the positive side, PureTalk Wireless offers a simple plug-and-play setup, low cost with no contracts, and decent speeds for basic streaming and browsing. On the downside, the speed depends heavily on signal strength. It may slow down after high data usage and customer support can be unreliable. Overall, PureTalk provides flexible, affordable wireless plans with solid US-based support, making it a strong choice for those seeking value and reliability. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.